Hi, I'm Mike, and around about 40,000 scouts from all around the world will be coming together to celebrate the World Scout Jamboree. Now, with over 170 countries that usually attend a jamboree, there's lots of languages that can be spoken. And here, we thought we'd like to help you out by being able to do some simple, basic things like say hello, introduce yourself. So here is just a few languages to help you get started.
In Cantonese, to say hello, you say Lei Ho. To say my name is, you say Wo Hai, insert your name here. And to say bye, you say Doi Ging.
So in Dutch, to say hello, you'd say hello. Thank you is dankjewel. My name is mijn naam is. And goodbye is tot ziens.
Hello in French is bonjour. Thank you in French is merci. My name is in French is je m'appelle. And goodbye in French is au revoir.
For Scottish Gaelic, hello is hello. Tapalat is thank you. And ismisha, I am, is for my name is, so ismisha Joanna. Martian leave or chiri for goodbye.
Hello in German is hallo or guten Tag. Thank you in German is danke or dankeschön. And my name is ich heiße. Goodbye in German is auf Wiedersehen.
To say hello in Italian, you say buongiorno or ciao. Grazie, mi chiamo Isabella, arrivederci.
To say hello, nice to meet you. Hajimemashite, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Thank you, arigato. Goodbye, sayonara.
In Mandarin, to say hello, you say Ni Hao. And to say my name is, you say Wo Jiao, insert your name here. And to say bye, you say 再见.
In Portuguese, to say hello, you say olá. To say thank you, you say obrigado. To say my name is, you say meu nome es. And to say goodbye, you say ciao.
The first one is hello. So you say hola. And to say thank you, we would say gracias. And of course, if you meet somebody, you're going to be wanting to say what your name is. So it is mi llamo Leslie. And then finally, we want to say goodbye. So adios.
Hello, hujambo. To say thank you, it's asante sana. My name's Elizabeth. Gina Languni Elizabeth. And goodbye is kwaheri.
Hello, 假爸妹，假爸妹. Thank you, 感谢, 感谢. My name is Ying. Goodbye, 再见, 再见.
In Welsh, say hello, it's shwmai. To say thank you in Welsh is diolch yn fawr. To say my name is in Welsh, your name comes first, Kathy ydw i. And goodbye in Welsh is hwyl fawr.